But ATOMY's color food vitamin C doesn't just contain vitamin C. It contains something called color food. Well, what is that? It's phytochemicals, which are basically chemicals found in plants. That's what gives them their color, their odor, as well as their flavor. Now, phytochemicals have been known to have a lot of different health benefits, including the potential for preventing a lot of different types of diseases. And they're still discovering a lot more benefits with all these ongoing studies. Now, because of all these benefits, back in the 80s, California actually created a campaign called the 5-A-Day campaign, which in the 90s became nationwide and now is worldwide. Basically, this program was created to encourage the public to consume more fruits and vegetables in order to improve their health. So this was based off of the World Health Organization's advice that on average we should be taking about 400 grams of fruits and vegetables per day. Now, this is because the wider variety of foods and the types of fruits and vegetables we eat, we're going to get different types of nutrients for a well-rounded diet. And so the best way, according to the American Heart Association, is for us to eat more color. So that's going to be different types of color. So there's 5 different color groups that are representative of the color foods. We have white/brown, as well as yellow/orange, red, and then blue, black/purple. That's going to be dependent on what country you're looking at, how they categorize it. And finally, we have green. So for today, we are going to be focusing on red and yellow because those are the 2 color food groups that is included in ATOMY's color food. So for yellow color food groups, we have the phytochemical called carotenoids. So there's over 600 of these different types. So overall, the yellow food group is going to be really good for eye health, and it also has the potential for reducing heart diseases as well as minimizing the risk of cancer. Moving on to the red food group, we have the phytochemical called lycopene. This is a very powerful antioxidant, and it's also has the potential to reduce the risk of cancer, plus improve our heart health as well. Now, the best source of color food is going to be coming from nature, obviously. How can we tell if a product contains ingredients from nature? Well, if you look at the ingredients list in the back, it should specify the real food source. So for ATOMY's color food vitamin C, we have mango concentrate powder, and that may help with digestive health. We also have tangerine extract, and that may help lower cholesterol. We have pumpkin extract, that is going to be rich in fiber, as well as turmeric extract. That's very powerful anti-inflammatory, which can also improve brain function as well as minimize the risk of brain disease. So all these yellow color food groups are going to be rich in nutrients as well as high antioxidants, and they may help boost immunity as well as our eye health, the health of our hair and our skin, and they could also potentially help reduce the risk of cancer. For the red food groups, we have strawberry extract, and that is going to be potentially helpful for diabetes as well as improving heart health. And we have pomegranate, and that's an anti-inflammatory that may help reduce the risk of cancer, lower blood pressure. It could also relieve arthritis or joint pain. It could potentially help with reducing the risk of heart disease as well. And it's an antibacterial, so it could also help with improving our memory.